Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, as you can tell by the title and the thumbnail, today is the day where we are hopefully going to be stretching up to a 2 gauge today. So I am currently right now at a 3 gauge and I just have these little Body Art Forms glass plugs in. If you guys have been following my journey very closely here on my channel, then you would know that after I went from an 8 to a 6, I decided that I wanted the rest of my stretching journey to go really smoothly, so I decided to order in between sizes. So it is taking me a little bit longer to get to my goal size, but honestly, if I were to do this all over again, I wouldn't do anything different. I loved the glass plugs. I love the fact that I decided to do all the in-between sizing. It's so much easier and just such a lifesaver to me. So in today's video, we are going to be going up to a 2, which means we are getting even closer and closer to my goal size. I'm hoping by the end of summer, we will be at my goal size, which I'm still bouncing between a 0 and a 00. I really haven't fully decided yet, so I'm just gonna kind of play it by ear. I love puns. I'm going to break the seal on this bag. Oh my goodness. So of course in the Urban Body Jewelry Kit, you of course get the little 2 gauge taper right here. And then you also get 2 of the stainless steel tunnels, which just look like this. As you can see, definitely be able to see through these guys now. I'm very excited to see what these are going to look like. As far as easiness goes, the glass plugs have definitely been really easy. There hasn't been any pain with them. But as far as like looks and aesthetics go, I definitely prefer the little tunnels for sure. So I'm very excited about this video today. Hopefully you guys are as well. So I have had my ears stretched to a 3 gauge for about a month now, and they feel really good. As you can see, there is still a decent amount of skin on the bottom part of my ears, like we're not thinning out or anything. I've had no blowouts. I did have a little bit of an infection when I stretched to a 6 gauge, but everything else from then has been really easy. And I know with my body personally, after about the 1 month mark is when I'm usually safe to stretch up again. I know like for certain sizes you have to wait longer, but for my body personally, my ears are usually always ready to go at that 1 month mark. And especially since we're doing the like in-between sizes, it's just a lot easier all around. So I'm hoping and I'm very optimistic that this is going to be a thing today. As always, I have all of my little supplies out. I have a pack of gloves right here, which I personally like to use for extra sanitization. I have a thing of water-based lube right here. I have some alcohol wipes to wipe down my ears, and of course we have the taper and the tunnels right here. Now, since I am doing the in-between sizes, I don't think I necessarily need the taper, but you know, I bought it, so I might as well just put it in. I know a lot of people say that tapers are bad, but I don't really care. I'm gonna use it. I've never had a bad experience, so we're gonna roll with it. The first thing I'm gonna do is just slide out the glass taper or plug right here. Just kind of take that baby out and we can expose my hole. Okay, so there's what my ear is looking like after a 3 gauge. Just gonna take an alcohol wipe and just kind of wipe down the area just to make sure that there isn't any gunk, makeup, you know, all that stuff. If you stretch your ears, then, you know, you're very well aware of the stench that it can hold, which I'm guessing, like, a lot of people tell me it's normal, but it's definitely an interesting smell. So I just like to take an alcohol wipe and just kind of wipe front and back just to make sure, like, there's some makeup there. Just to make sure there's no makeup hanging out in the area. I just want it to be as clean as possible. Next thing I'm gonna do is just pop on one of my gloves here. Right, I'm gonna take some of my water-based lube and right on my finger, just gonna pop some on there, and then this is going to go on the front and back of my ear. I did move you guys in a little bit closer so you could kind of see, and then I'm just gonna take a little bit more lube on my finger here, and then I'm going to take the steel taper and I'm just going to really lube this guy up. Oh! Okay. Wow, so that just slid right on through. We're gonna completely skip the taper then, and we're just going to dead stretch because that literally just slid right through. Wow. Oh my gosh, dude. This is, damn it. So I'm just gonna take the little O-ring and pop that on the back. Didn't even feel anything. Oh my gosh, that's insane, dude. So we are very quickly going to move on to the next ear. Again, I'm gonna take a fresh alcohol wipe and do the exact same thing on this side. Just going to move it out of the way. Again, rub front and back, make sure I'm getting all of the makeup and the gunk off. Right, so now that we have that one all cleaned up, I'm going to pop on another fresh glove here. Take some water-based lube right on the tip of my finger here, and we're really gonna focus that right here. And let's go ahead. Wow, okay. Gosh, you guys, I'm so excited. So again, I don't even need the taper for that side because I can literally just slide these right in, except everything is slipping. There we go. Oh my gosh, you guys can like see through it now. This journey has been absolutely amazing. It's been so easy. I'm obsessed with it. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you go down and give it a huge thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it, and it really does help my channel out a lot. Also, if you are new to my channel and this is the first video of mine that you are seeing, make sure you go down and hit that red subscribe button. I do upload every 3 to 4 days here. Definitely make sure you subscribe so we can finish up my stretching journey, and then I can start doing really cool plug hauls and try-on hauls and things like that. So I'm very excited. Thank you guys again so much for watching. I love you all very much, and I will see you very soon in my next video. I love you guys. Bye!